Women constitute the majority of the HIV population in Sub-Saharan Africa. Therefore, it is important for them to have access to all the tools necessary to protect themselves. But the female condom, a device purposely for women which could prevent STDs and most importantly HIV/AIDS, is hard to come by on the Ghanaian market. Which barriers are hindering the distribution and utilization of the female condom, also known as Femidom? Ofori Wadako finds out.
A condom is a barrier device commonly used during sexual intercourse to reduce the probability of pregnancy and spreading sexually transmitted diseases such as HIV. In Ghana, different brands of male condoms are easily found on the market, but not the female condoms. A research conducted last year by Johns Hopkins School of Public Health in the United States showed that a program to provide and promote FC2 female condoms prevented enough HIV infections in the first year alone to save over $8 million in future medical care costs. Although female condoms have already been introduced in 40 HIV epidemic countries for over a decade now, their supply and utilization remains sadly insufficient. Osu Oxford Street in Accra is well noted for trading activities. With a good number of pharmacies located there, none of them had female condoms on sale. If this device, which can reduce the risk of acquiring HIV by more than 90%, is not stocked, could Ghana be seeing an increase in infections?
The patronage of female condom is very, very, very low. And as a result, we don't stock it any longer because people are not patronizing it, and it doesn't make economic sense stocking it. I even had a sample which I'm trying to convince ladies about, but still those samples even got expired on us.
It's all about its usage. It's a killjoy because sometimes when fixing it, especially when you're in the mood, by the time you finish, everything is gone down.
It is interesting to note that some women confidently go into pharmacies to buy male condoms instead of asking about the female condoms.
For some time now, patronage has been on a lower side simply because the ladies feel shy to buy them. If a lady comes and she's a lady, she wants a condom, she feels you think she is going to use it. So there's that sort of skepticism about it.
It has been 14 years since its introduction as a way of preventing sexually transmitted infections and unplanned pregnancies. But how much do women know about the female condom?
I don't know how it is. I haven't seen female condom before.
I've bought a male condom before. Not a female. I've never even thought about it. I don't think I've even seen one before.
And from the men's perspective?
Actually, it's publicity. We don't publicize it well and people don't talk about it. So it's even when you go to the pharmacy, you don't get it.
I think female condoms not available in pharmacy shops is a very bad thing. We are preaching about the fact that we should protect ourselves. Our women are in danger. And if after making all the noise, they go and buy and they don't get some, they defeat the whole purpose and idea of telling people that protect yourselves.
Intensifying sex education in junior and senior high schools is a challenge, but fortunately, some children between the ages of 10 and 18 are quite knowledgeable about female condoms.
I was taught in school about it. We were given handouts about the use of female condom. I would entrust that schools should teach the students how to use it.
We weren't thought about it, but then we only made few mentions at some of the ways that we can prevent pregnancies and all that. Some of the safety precautions we can take when having sex.
Basically, as the name goes, female condoms. It's meant for females, as in protection for sex and other stuff. The guys are more courageous and are bold to go out there to pick up a condom. In lady stuff, there is some kind of shyness and some things in within them.
Sometimes they use them for sleeping with men and sometimes they can use it for something, for not letting the woman be pregnant.
The use of the female condom gives women the power to stand up to their male partners for safe sex negotiations. Through sensitization programs nationwide, the Ghanaian woman can be empowered to protect herself, since half of the 35 million adults worldwide living with HIV and AIDS are women. For GTV News, Ofeyiwa Darko reporting.